Hey lovelies, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So today we have a review of an unusual beach dress. There are many important details in this dress, so I want you to listen to me carefully. Sleeveless dress. The kimono is wide, just above the waistline. The sleeve is wide, turning into a ruffle over the entire arm. Cotton with viscose. The sleeve is lined with turquoise cambric from the inside. The frill is needed so that the back fabric does not show through during movement. Remember what I say. It's just an overlock here. I will not turn it out and show it on the table as usual, because I will tell you everything interesting on a mannequin. This line does not carry any design, just a straight dress with one-piece sleeves. And from under the chest to the oblique downward, a curtain was sewn, where there is this rope. Braided ropes cannot be purchased in color. We braid them with thread. The dress is made wide and lines are drawn from under the bust. The wings are sewn and there are ropes in them. Side seam pockets. It's comfortable. Not a small cut in front, but not too big. The neckline is deep at the back. This line is overstated at the back, and the curtain is sewn, where the ropes are threaded. While walking, the ropes hang down and it is very beautiful. There is a cut out at the back and a bow is tied from the shoulders. Imagine yourself on vacation in this dress. Very beautiful. I hope you agree. I really like the way it looks. We can also tie these ropes. There is a frill at the bottom of the dress, wide, 20 centimeters, closed hem, and here is the overlock, lining only at the sleeve ruffle. There is no lining anywhere else, because only in this place everything will be visible. I really like this dress and we all hope that our customer will be happy with the result too. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial from me. Be different and beautiful, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Also, don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!